Fifth story is the establishment of Kesari. In the year 1880, Tirak and his colleagues started the newspaper Kesari in Marathi. Along with it, another one in English called Maratha was also published. However, they didn't have enough money to establish a press. Therefore, Tirak started tuition classes in law and started collecting the fees as the fund for the press. The newspapers were highly successful in instigating the masses. Tirak had got an instrument to give expression to his fight against injustice. Then he started the Ferguson College and there too worked as a professor. Tirak's articles soon gained nationwide fame. His fiery writings inflamed the hearts of the masses. The people were swept in by new enthusiasm. A wave of hatred for the foreign imperialist power spread all over, and a strong spurt of determination and confidence was created amongst the masses that they could unitedly throw away the British yoke. Tiak was aware that people were eager to read his views in Kesari. Hence, he was ready to do anything to continue with its publishing. At times, he would himself set type composing of for Kesari. Tiak was a dutiful worker. For him, duty stood foremost against other things. Once an epidemic of plague broke out. Tiak's son was writhing in pain on bed suffering from plague, and he was his dear son. But at that time, Tiak had to go to Kesari Press to deliver his article in time. Otherwise, the issue couldn't be published. Tiak knew that all the people of Maharashtra were anxiously waiting for Kesari, so he owed his prime duty towards it. Tiak's wife said, "Your son is seriously ill. Will it do if you won't go today?" Tiak replied, "No, no, no. Here the doctor is present. You are there. What will I do sitting here? You all are there to take care of him. I must go. It is equally important to write the editorial." Saying so, Tiak left for his office. For him, to save the nation was a greater duty than looking after his own son. Previously, the Kesari office was situated in small rented place, but in 1900 AD, Tiak bought the Gayakwad Wada from Chima Sahib Gayakwad of Baroda for a sum of 15,000 rupees. Today, the Kesari office is still in the same premises.